Good evening guys! Finally, natuloy na rin kami dito sa Vice Comedy Club. Last week pa talaga kami dapat pumunta dito guys, kaya lang hindi kami nakapag-reserve, kaya na-cancel. So buti naman at this time natuloy na rin kami guys. So ayan, dahil 9 o'clock pa mag-start ang show, eating time muna tayo dito guys kasi medyo matagal pa ang show kasi anong oras pa lang kami dumating dyan, 7, 9 pa yung show, kaya let's eat muna guys. In fairness, masarap ang mga foodies dito guys. Ang pinakagusto ko yung beef salpikaw nila guys. Sobrang sarap, sobrang soft. Basta, I love it. And ang kanilang frozen margarita, gustong gusto ko guys. Kaya lang nag-mind freeze ako. Char. So ayan guys, eating time muna kasi wala pa ang show. So ayan, thank you Ate Shobi sa pa-experience dito sa Vice Comedy Club. Ayan guys, kasama ko ang Alonso family. Thank you sa banding guys, everyone. So ayan guys, as you can see, ang laki ng club at saka ang ganda. So nakapatay na lang yung ilaw, kaya it's time to start the show. Char. As you can see, ayan guys, excited na kaming lahat at nag-aabang kasi masarap talaga manood ng comedy bar. Nakakawala ng stress at saka matatawa ka talaga guys. Best experience ever. Kahit na napuyat kami dyan guys, sobrang saya at saka busog kami dahil sobrang sarap na foodies. Thank you so much ate. At nag-i-enjoy talaga kami sa show dyan guys, promise. So kung guys gusto nyo pumunta dyan, kailangan magpa-reserve kayo kasi mahirap na pag walk-in kayo guys. Ang labas nyo is standing position, mahirap nakatayo dyan guys kasi sobrang haba ng show nila, so mahirap naman, nagbabayad ka ng entrance tapos nakatayo ka lang. So much better na magpa-reserve kayo kung gusto nyo pumunta dyan guys. So ayan lang guys, thank you for watching. We enjoy the rest of the night talaga guys. Sobra, as you can see, ayan guys, sobrang saya talaga. Kung hindi pa nga lang maaga ang flight ni ate, hindi pa kami uuwi, tapusin namin yung show, kaya lang